Channel Islands Restoration is a South Coast-based nonprofit organization. With the help of hundreds of local volunteers, we restore habitat in precious natural areas that native species depend on for survival. We also provide environmental education services to schools and adults. Our mainland restoration sites stretch from the San Ynez Valley and the Gaviota Coast through Santa Barbara and Ventura counties to the Santa Monica Mountains. We have worked on all 8 of the California Channel Islands, helping to lead several important environmental projects with the National Park Service, the Nature Conservancy, the U.S. Navy, and others. We have been providing school trips to the Channel Islands for over 6 years, and we recently led 27 school field trips in a single year, serving over 900 students and teachers, mostly from low-income school districts. Most of these kids have never visited a national park or had ever even taken a boat ride before. Students help out with important service projects during their visit to the Channel Islands, giving them a chance to learn about conservation while helping to restore a unique national park. Trips to the Channel Islands also provide the opportunity for kids and adults to see marine mammals like whales and sea lions. Our program helps students make the connection between mainland pollution, the ocean environment, and the unique species of the Channel Islands. More than 1,000 adults volunteer for Channel Islands restoration every year on our projects on the Channel Islands and on the mainland. We make weekly trips to Anacapa Island, where we remove non-native plants and grow native plants in the island nursery. Our volunteers have the opportunity to visit some of the most scenic spots on the California coast. Channel Islands Restoration also has volunteer opportunities in beautiful locations on the mainland in Santa Barbara and Ventura counties. Volunteers have helped us plant thousands of native plants along the Andre Clark Bird Refuge at the Santa Barbara Zoo. After helping out restoring important bird habitat, volunteers get a chance to visit the zoo for free. Channel Islands Restoration volunteers often help out in wonderful recreation areas that are not widely known to the general public. The San Marcos Foothills Preserve is a new county open space saved from development by community action. The San Marcos Foothills provide great recreation opportunities, and many of our volunteers discovered the preserve for the first time while volunteering with us. We hope that you will volunteer with us soon on the mainland or at the Channel Islands.